Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 10.2 and 10.3. Here you will be studying that area. So first of all 10.2, that is the first question, that A part. So that area is equal to, by the counting of boxes. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes are there. So 9 square unit. 9 square unit. Similarly, in that B part, when you will be count that area will be 5 square unit. Similarly, you will be count that area will be you can find that is a C part. C part, after the counting C part also you can count easily. Then see the F part. See the F part. That is 1, 2 boxes are complete and 4 boxes are half. So that is 4 means half. That is a 4 square unit. And then 6 one also, G1 also you can do. HI is a similar. J number. 2 boxes are complete and 4 boxes are half. So that area will be 4 square unit. And then K part you can do. L part, that is 1, 2 boxes are complete and then by the half of and by the 2/3 and then by the 1/3 and by the 3/4, that area will be, by counting, that will be that 8 square unit. And then M part, that area by the counting of that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7 boxes are complete and by the half of and by that one, this will be 14 square unit. And then N part is equal to, that area is equal to, by the counting of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means mostly are there. And this one by the counting of half and 1/4, 2/3, by that counting, that will be 18 square unit. And then exercise 10.3. First question is that find the area of a rectangle whose side are. So that A part, area is equal to L into B. Length multiply breadth. So that is 3 into 4. So 3 4 ja 12. That is a centimeter square. And then see the D part, that is area is equal to that is L into B. So that 2 into, that is a decimal 7, because unit is given, first unit is given in meter and second unit is given in that centimeter. So first of all we have converted in that meter. So 7 2 ja 14, that is centimeter square. That will be meter square. And then the second question, that first part, that area is equal to that is square. So that will be side multiply side. So that is 10 into 10 is equal to 100. That is a centimeter square. Other part you can do easily, no problem will be there. Length and breadth of the 3 rectangles are given below. That is A part, B part, C part. Which one of the largest area and which one of the smallest area? So first A part, area is equal to, that is L into B. That is 9 into 6. 54. That is meter square. B part, area is equal to L into B, that is 17 into 3 is equal to 51 meter square. C part, area is equal to L into B, that is 4 into 14, 14 4 ja 56 meter square. So which is larger? C. C is larger and B is smaller. Okay. Fourth question, the area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square. Find the width. So that fourth, width is equal to, width means that is a breadth, so area upon length. So that area is given 300 and then that is a 50. So 0 cancel by 0, 5 6 ja 30, that is 6 meter. Fifth question is that what the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 5 meter, this one. So first of all we find the area. Area is equal to L into B and then is equal to L is 500 200. 500 meter and 200 meter is equal to 5 2 ja 10 and then 1 2 3 4 zeros meter square. This is the area. And then cost of tiling per 100 square meter, per 100 square meter. So cost is equal to that rupees 8 multiply 1 2 3 4 upon 100, that will be per 100 meter square. So that is upon 100, 1 2 1 2, that will be 8 1 ja 8, 1 2 3 zeros, that is rupees. Next, sixth question, that a tabletop measure this and this, what is the area in square meter? So that area is equal to L into B. So that length is equal to 2 into breadth is equal to, that is 1.5, because we will convert in meter, that will become, so 15 to 30, 3 meter square. Seventh question, a room 4 meter long, 3.5 meter wide, how many square meter of carpet needed for cover the floor of that one? So that simple. Seventh, area is equal to length into breadth. So that length is equal to 4 into 3.5. So 4 5 ja 20, 4 ja 12, 14 meter square. And then question number 8, we will see here. Eighth question, that a floor 5 meter long and this meter wide, a carpet, square carpet of this one. So area of floor is equal to L into B. That will be L is equal to that 5 into 4. That is 5 into 4 is equal to 20 meter square. And then area of carpet is spherical, so 4 into side, that will be 4 into, that is 3. A square carpet, sorry, just wait, side into side, that is 3 into 3 is equal to 9 meter square. So that not carpeted area is equal to 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 meter square. Ninth question is that find the square floor, 5 square bed, floor bed each of side this one. So area of square bed, area of 5 floor beds is equal to 5 into side, that is 5 into 1 is equal to 5 meter square, that is meter square. And then dug on a piece of land 5 and 4. So area of land is equal to L into B, that is L is 5 into 4, that is 5 4 ja 20 meter square. And then remaining part of land, remaining part of land is equal to, that is 20 minus 5 is equal to 15 meter square. And then 10th question is that, 10th question, A part, that here you are looking the diagram, that will be the, see that diagram, this is the 4 3 3 2, this is also 2 3 1, that is 4. Okay, now you will be join that one and this one also, and this one also you will be join that. And then area of this one, this will be 4 into 3, or this will be 4 3 7 into, that will be 1, 7 into 1, or this area will be 2, and then 4 to 6 1 7, so 4 has reached, that will be 1, and then 2 3 5 less 7, that will be 2, so that will be 1, and then this will be also 1, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5, and total is 4 to 6 1 7 5, that will be 2. So that area is equal to this area 4 into 3 plus this area 7 into 1 plus this area 2 into, that left is 5, 2 into 5 plus this area 2 into 1, so that is 4 3 ja 12 plus 7 1 ja 7 plus 10 plus 2 1 ja 2, 7 2, that so that 1 2 3 4, so that will be, just wait, see again that I am looking that 4 2 6 1 7, so 4 has deducted from there, so 1 is also deducted from here, 2 is also deducted from here, so 3 2, that will be, this will be 4 into 3, that will be 12, yes, 4 plus 3 7 1 ja 7 also, that will be, yes, 4, oh that will be not this one, this will be 3, because 1 is deducted from here, so this will be 3, this is a 4 total, but this is the 3, so 3 into 3 will be this, 3 into 3, this will be 9, so 9 to 11 7 8 18 8, that is 2 meter centimeter is given there, centimeter square. And then similarly you will be find that B part, so see that B part can be difficult. Okay, this is the 5, this is the 3, this is 2, this is 1, 1, 3. We will join this one. So this will be, this is a whole is 3. So this will be left 1, 1 because 2 has deducted. 3 here, so that will be 1, 1. So area is equal to this one, 5 into 1 plus this one, 3 into 2, 2 into 2 plus this will be 2 into 2. So that will be 5 1 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 centimeter square. And then next question, that other you can 11th question is that 11th question is this. Similarly, that one also you will be do. So see here B part only. See the B part. First part is not a difficult than other part. This. Every side is given 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So you will be join this one. Okay. So this will be 7, 7, 21. That will be 21 from here to here. So area is equal to, that is first area, that is 7 into 7 plus second area 7 into 7 plus third area 7 into 21, 21 into 7 1. So 7 7 is 49 plus 49 plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, and then 9 and 18, 18 7 25, 4 4 8, 4 12, 13 14, and then 1 carry 2, that is given in centimeter square. And then C part also secant that here, this is you are looking T, that is 5 1 2 4 1 4 2 1. Join this so that area is equal to, that will be 5 into 1 first part, and then that plus 4 into 1. So that 5 1 is 5 plus 4 1 is 4, that is 5 4 9 centimeter square. First part also you will be make 2, that is 2 rectangle. And then question number 12, that 12th question is that how many tile whose length and breadth is 12 and 5 centimeters will be the needed fit in the rectangular region whose length and breadth are, this is given. So area of tile, first of all we find the area of tile is equal to, that is L into B is equal to 12 into 5, that is equal to 12 5 ja 60 centimeter square. And then A part, that area of will be needed to area of region, that is given, that particular region, that is region is equal to L into B. So that L is 100 into 144, that is 14000 centimeter square. So number of tiles, we need to find the number of tiles. Number of tiles is equal to that one area, region area upon tile area, that 0. 6 2 ja that is 14 1 ja, that must be cancel. Sorry, this is a 144, that is 144. So 6 2 ja 12, 2 6 4 ja 24, that is 10. That is means 240 tiles needed for this A region. And B, area of that region is equal to L into B is equal to, that is a 70 into 36 centimeter square. No need to multiply that, because we are finding the number of tiles is equal to 70 into 36 upon, we will write this one, 12 into 5, that is 12 3 ja and 5 14 ja, 14 3 ja 42 tiles, that is answer. This is the 240 answer. Okay.